recording?
Yeah. See that?
See that?
Yeah, look it. There's like flashes of light. UFOs confirmed.
There's UFOs in there. That's not a storm cloud.
I know, it's all white.
Are
UFOs.
you getting it?
Yeah. UFOs.
2017.
UFOs confirmed.
World War III has begun. They can't hide it with the chemtrails any longer.
We have found the UFOs.
Holy moly. Are you watching that?
Yeah.
You see that?
Mm-hmm.
See that? Oh, you're better out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boy. UFOs, man. Some scary stuff. See all those flashes of light? Those are them right there.
Stay still.
It's not a storm cloud because we can't hear no sounds either. Government's hiding something behind there. It's crazy. That was just a car passing by, not thunder. It's crazy awesomeness.